Okay. Chapter 3.4 deals with systems of inequalities. So we're back to graphing two lines on the same graph. Now this time it's actually going to be required that you graph. Your assignment for the graphing systems of linear inequalities is longer because it's not just finding the point of intersection. You're going to try to find what I like to call shared shading, right? Where the two shades kind of intersect each other, where, you know, the red graph meets the blue graph, all that stuff. So let me give you guys a couple of examples of stuff that's going to show up on your homework. If I give you y is greater than or equal to x minus 3, and then y is greater than or equal to negative x plus 2. Change that 3 here. What we need to do is we need to figure out where the shared shading happens on this function, or both of these functions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't like that. Okay, so the first one I'm going to graph in yellow. Down 3, up 1 to the right 1, right? We can all kind of agree about that. The next one I'll go ahead and graph in blue. So we go up 2, and then we move down. Down 1 to the right 1. Down 1 to the right 1. Okay. Now, bear in mind, I made those solid lines. Why? Jared? Greater than or equal to. All right, so make sure you keep that in mind. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and lightly shade in the area underneath, above, sorry, losing it, above the line, because y is greater than all that, right? I'm going to switch back to yellow, and I'm going to go ahead and fill in all of this. Who can raise hand? Okay, now this is where, when I was teaching at my previous school, which incidentally shares these colors, I used to have the students I would tell them to show me by fishy, like which area were you doubly shaded in. So show me by fishy which one you guys are. Which one is it? This one? Is it this one? This one? This one? Okay, sorry. Okay, no sense of humor. That's okay. Top V, left V, right V, bottom V. Which one is it? Top V. That's your shared shading. So this you want to make sure you darken in. This is where all of your solutions are. Okay? Yeah, okay, sorry, Joshua. Here we go. Better? Okay? Raise your hands if you have any questions about systems of inequalities. Amol.
And you don't need to write an answer, you just, the graph is the answer.
The graph is the answer. Okay? The graph is the answer. Aaron.
Is it okay if we use, like, highlighters?
Go ahead. Even on the quiz on Friday, go ahead. Go for it. Okay, let's do another one. Okay. That's all right. Different strokes for different folks. I understand you guys do not appreciate the fishy. No problem. I'll do it by V's then. Okay, y is less than or equal to x plus 3. Y is greater than or equal to x plus 2. Let's go ahead and do this one. Top graph, we move up 3, we move up 1 to the right 1, up 1 to the right 1. It's going to go this way. Again, solid line because greater than or equal to. Bottom graph. Max, how you doing? Good. Switch colors here. Purple. Up 1 to the right 1. Sorry. Ugly. Up 1 to the right 1. Up 1 to the right 1. Holy guacamole. They are parallel. Ugh. Difficult. Difficult. Okay, so the shading of the purple graph is going to be greater than all of this stuff. Hey guys, can you guys determine where's the shared shading going to happen? In between them, right? Okay, so we didn't even need to do any kind of... That was rough. Raise your hands if you understand what's happening here. Good. Let me give you guys one to do on your own. Okay, numbers 3 and 4 are up there. Go ahead and take care of those on your own. All right. Everybody, attention up front, please. So the first one is down 1, up 2, to the right 3, yes? And it's a dashed line, yes? Agree, disagree? Agree, good. The next one is up 2, down 1, 2, 3, to the right 1, 2, 3, 4. Solid line, agreed? Okay, we're less than here. In this one here, we're greater than. Top, left, right, bottom. Where's my shared shading? Left. How's that, Joshua? Good? Green? Good. Okay, next one. The reason why this one's hard, well, challenging, is because you don't really see these graphs that often. X is less than 1. Well, what kind of graph is X is less than 1? Aaron?
Straight up and down.
Straight up and down. And then Y is greater than 3. What type of graph is that? Aaron? What type of graph is Y is greater than 3? Aaron, you just took bamboo and shoved it right on my fingernails, dude. It's a 0 slope. At where?
At Y3.
Okay, and it's a solid line, right? No, it's not. Okay. Aaron, you know what you're doing to me?
I'm killing you.
You're putting a toothpick under my toenails and telling me to kick a door. All right, that hurts. All right. So we're above. You're hurting me, dude. All right, X is less than 1. Where's my shared shading, everyone? Stay with me. Here. Questions? All right. Good job. You know what, George?